In this video, we will be going over the divider tool on MeasureSquare Mobile. The divider tool can be found on the Tools section and in the Resize menu. You can use this tool in one room, hit close, and then draw a divider in another room without exiting the tool. You can also include the divider tool as a shortcut on the right-hand side in the system settings. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for future tutorials and release information for MeasureSquare Mobile.